Okay, so welcome back, guys, and today we are looking at library management system, that is LibraMinds, and this is our login page. So this is the full stack web application we have created using the React, Vite, and TypeScript for the front end, and we have integrated means the backend is created using the Spring Boot, and we are using the MySQL database for the database purposes. So this is the login window. So we can, if we want to log in, we can log in from here. And these are the demo access, means we can log in as a student, librarian, and admin. And this is the, like, if you want to register as a new user in this web application, we can register using this like form. Okay, so we will first I will use the demo. Okay, so first I will show you the student panel. So let's go. Here we have this is the Toastify, and this we got a message like welcome back, student. So we have login as a student. Okay, so the demo user name of the student is Sam, and hello Sam, unlock a world of knowledge, your membership is good. Okay, so here we can change the appearance of entire web application. So we are having the typography over here. So means clicking over it, the fonts will be changed. Means if you want to change the font, let it be serif. Okay, so entire web application font is became a serif. Okay, so this is the complete look of the web application. The entire typography is became serif. If we change the like font to mono, so mono is like this, and you can see the look of the web application. The typography is changed. If we want to change the font to Poppins, we can change it over here, and you can see the look of the web application. The UI look has completely changed. If we want to like integrate the inter fonts into the web application, we can click over here and look at this. The entire web application look has changed, and these are the like cards of the books we are having. This one is borrowed, this one is borrowed, so we cannot borrow it. Okay, we can sign out from here, and we can search the book from here. Like for example, if we want to search clean code, so we are having this okay option. Let me, okay, I want to show you the another one thing. Like if we click over here, the web application is turning into light theme. So let me show you the look of the light theme. So when we are clicking over here, the colors of the web application are changing. For example, the dark mode. This is the light mode of the web application. So you can see the entire web application has turned into the light mode. So this is the hero background, and this is the AI Gemini AI suggestions. When we click over here, we're gonna get the suggestions of the book. Okay, I will turn into the dark mode again, and in the dark mode you can see there are multiple colors here, and we are having multiple colors over here. So that is why we can implement the blue color here, the sky blue here, green here, and like pink color here, and orange color, and violet color, and purple, and blue is here. We are having the budget right now, which we have popped up in our wallet, that is $19 right now. This is the notification section. So this is the notification section in which we can see all the notification. For example, the book has returned, request approved, request rejected, book borrowed, and book borrowed. And this is the notification section, and there is a sign out button which is implemented over here. And when you are clicking over the profile button, we can see there are multiple options over here, like settings and sign out. We can sign out from here. We can sign out from here as well. When we're clicking over here, we can change the avatar of the user. For example, the avatar is like this. When we click over here, we're gonna change it, and randomize button is here. So complete randomized look is changed over here. So when we click over here, the we can edit the name of the student as well, and we can add the bio of the student. For example, I'm a computer engineering student. We will click over here like save changes, and when we will do save changes, the entire changes will be saved into the database. So profile updated successfully over here. After that, then when we will go here, there is a library catalog, and all the books are attached and can be viewed in the form of the cards stacked horizontally. So when you click over here, the view details button, so the complete view of the book can be seen, like a writer review, and it is available right now. The status of the book published on 2023. There is no description added by the librarian for this book when they were adding this book into the web application. There is one review for this web application which had given the 5 stars rating to the web application and to the book, and we can add the review. For example, we can add like this nice book. Okay, so when you add the review, we can post the review using this button, and when we will do that, the review will be posted. Okay, so we can see the review over here. The clean code book is here, and when we click over here again, we can see that the review is added over here. That nice book review of the 5 star rating is added over here. So this one also one of the feature here I have shown you, but one more feature is that we can search on the basis of the voice. Okay, so for example, the author is Robert C. Martin. When I will click over here, Robert. Okay, let's start. Robert C. Martin. Okay, C Martin it is, but you can see, just remove it, Martin, and you can see the book author, the book which is by the Robert C. Martin is can be seen here. Now I want to show you one more. Okay, this one is like a drop down list of the genres. So all the genres present in our web application, there are mainly two genres. First one is the computer science, and second one is history genre over here. And I want to show you one more thing, like achievements tab in the navbar. Your trophy case, 3 out of 4 are unlocked, and this is a hard coded. It doesn't have any significance over here, so we can like ignore it as of now. But we can see the borrowing history. So this student whose name is Sam, so he has borrowed one book on 5th of December 2025 and returned on 5th of December 2025. So he can write the review over here, and he has returned. So this is the feature. Then second one is membership. So you can get the membership. For example, if you want to add the balance, like for example, right now the balance is $19, so we can add the balance like $500 more. So we will click over that white button. Let's go, and here we go. We are having the payment gateway integration. We are using the Razor Pay for the payment gateway, and if you correctly analyze, the $500 becomes like 41,500 rupees in Indian rupees. So Indian currency INR. When you click on UPI, and we add our email ID and verify and pay. When you click over here, then the amount will be added, or in the uh, the book the amount will be added into the wallet. Okay, so the amount will be added into the wallet. For example, the $500 are added into our wallet, and we are having the financial center named like corner or the section in the web application. So we are having $500 as the amount which is present in our wallet as of now. We have added, and top up history maybe we are not having here, but I want to show. Okay, okay, let's log in again. Let's turn it to the. Okay, so we are having like we have logged in as a librarian, and you can see the librarian chat like section here. So it is the chat section where all the previously chat will be recorded, and it will be common for all the students whenever a new student will be logging. This librarian support will be like same for all of them, so they can chat with the librarian and ask the queries like we can see the past history of hi and please give me the book and all. These are the requests, and the librarian accept the request on the basis of it. Means there is an issue, then librarian will tell the students over here in this librarian support section. So we are having all of these things, and we can see that this is the librarian chat, and we can actually I want to show you more features. Like here we are having the budget, means the wallet section where we are having the our uh, but all the money, and we can like change the theme, the secondary color. We can change the like typography of the web application, and it is like we can change it from serif, poppins, etc. So what does that mean? Means it helps to change the typography. Here we can surprise me when you click on it. It will generate the AI based suggestions of the books for us. So your AI curated book is ready, and I want to show you here library catalog. And here we go. We are having three books over here. For the sake of, we can look at them, and we can see that these are the books. The new book, the author is Sajid Sheikh, and we are having the book, all of these things. Three books are curated by the AI for us. The React handbook, all of these things, and we can see the librarian chat, and we can log out from here. We can change the profile as well, so we can do multiple operations from here, and we are having the new book and all of these things. So we can click on borrow now. So let's click on it, and it is pending approval. So that means that we need approval from someone. From whom we will need approval? We will need from the librarian. So librarian will decide. So let's sign out and let's log in as a librarian. And librarian will see a request, and here we go. We are having the request from the like Sam student to the librarian. In the we are in librarian dashboard right now, and we can approve it or we can reject it. So
I want to show you the more features of the Librarian dashboard as well. So we can see we can change the appearance, same like that of the student. We can log out from here, and we can log out from here as well, and we can do multiple operations over here. If you click on the settings, then you can see that we can randomize the look of the like avatar of the like librarian dashboard, and we can change the name of the librarian as well. So that is also a very good thing. Like right now it's it of Larry Librarian. So it is Larry Librarian right now. We can change it. We can put the bio, for example. Right now I'm putting like I am the librarian. I am the librarian. So we are putting the bio here, and we have successfully saved or updated our profile. So this was the profile section. You can see the notification over here, like book request from that particular user, and we can see the ID of that user as well into the notification. So this also notification feature of the librarian dashboard, and we can see the time as well, the correct date of the particular request and all. So we can see all of these things, and we can approve it or reject it. But I will if I will approve it, they can borrow the book. Okay, they will be borrowing the book. If I'm not approving it, then only they will have to get a permission. In the appearance, we can see we can change from the light mode to the dark mode. Same like that of the SAM student dashboard. And here we go. It is a light mode, and it is looking nice as well. We will turn it into dark mode again. We can change the secondary color, let it be blue or sky blue or green or light green, um, or red or orange or purple. So on the basis of our need or whatever look we like of our web application, we can change it from here. We can change the typography of the web application. So let it be any typography, serif, poppins, etc. So let's see, this typography is looking quite a lot professional. So it is a nice typography over here, and the poppins is here and all. So this was the librarian dashboard. If we change it to serif, then serif font is looking nice as well. We can change it to any typography, whatever we want. So this one the typographies. Now I will close it, variants, and manage book section. In this book section, we can add new books. We can add the title of the book. We can add the author of the book. We can add the URL, cover URL of the book, means all the books cover page will be displayed as in the form of that image, whatever we will put over here. So that was the URL. Then category. So there are currently, I guess, two categories: computer science and history. But I want to tell you, like, if you want to add a category, we have to go to the categories section, and in this section, we will have to submit a approval for the particular category, whatever we want to add in our library. So, if you put the like category request, that request shall be accepted by the admin. Then and then only we can add the books into that particular categories. So we will put a particular categories and we will try to send a approval request to the admin and see if they approve it or not. So we will afterwards log in as an admin and see where we see the category approval request. So request new category and we can request a particular category, like I'm requesting science fiction as of now. So science fiction is a newly added category I want into my library, so that what happens is we can add the new books into our particular category. So this one is the science fiction category, and we can see it is showing pending. So when the admin will be approving this particular category, then and then only we can use that particular category for the purpose of our work. So let's go to the calendars section, but first of all we will log out and log in as an admin to see we are having the approval or not. Okay, so we can see the science fiction is listed down here and it is saying like approve, means we can approve it or we can let it be like that. But if we will approve as an admin, because we are admin right now, you can see the hello admin, manage your library ecosystem effectively, and we can see the like category requested from that librarian. So let's approve. If you want to approve the particular category shall be in our library, so we can approve it. So we will approving it. So category is approved and we can see the users here, but we will come back to the librarian, admin dashboard again. Let's log in as a librarian and go to the manage books section, and here we go. We can see in the category section we can see that a science fiction is there, that is active as of now. So science fiction is approved by the admin, and because of that we can now add the new books into our web application, into our library as a admin. So let's add the new book, and we can add the new books for that particular category. So I'm having some of the dummy like book credentials, like the title of the book, the author of the book, so in the form of a dummy data. So this is the, I have opened my notepad and here we have the dummy data. So I will put it for the example purpose. So I will put the title of the book and the title of the silent stars I will put. So the silent star will be put over here by me, and we can see the title is there. Then we will put the author of the book, so that we can use it as the author. So this is the dummy credentials, guys, and we can change the URL of the book, and we can put the URL over here. And now if we want to choose the category, so we can see the new categories added, that is the science fiction. So we will choose that newly added category in our library. So this is the first book of the science fiction category. So we can make it and click on the add book, so that we can add this particular book in our library, guys. And here we go. Let me minimize that, and here we go, we can see the silent stars is added into the library. So this is the newly added book into our library, guys. And after adding the particular book for that particular category, we can see that into our like the student dashboard, then and then only. And in the calendar and return section, we can see on the 19th of December, we are having the due date, because on the 5th of December, someone has borrowed a book from the library. So they have to return this book. We can mark it as return. But as of now, just let's approve the a book requested by the SAM student. So we will approving it and request approved, and we can see in the calendars and return section the book, the borrowed book is updated. Now we are having 3 books as borrowed, and the 20th is the due date over here. So the SAM student have to return the book on the 20th of December. Let's sign out and let's see in the student dashboard what things are updated. So welcome back, some student, and we can see on the notification the request is approved. So we just approved the request of the SAM student for the particular borrowing of the book. So we can see over here on the like library category, we will go down and you can see the claim code is the book, which is now borrowed. It is showing like borrowed. And who borrowed this book? SAM student. Like as of now, we have borrowed that book, and we are having that book here with us. So that's why the notification we got, and we will see the newly added book for that particular category is over here as well. The silent stars, because first of all we need to get the approval from the admin, and then only we can add the category and we can add the new books, and then only we can see over here in the student dashboard the newly added category. So this one is the, we can see the details of the particular like book over here. We can add the review, and in the notification we can ask the AI chatbot the questions for the particular suggestions, like what book we can add, and all of these questions. And so this is the AI chatbot, which is created for the student dashboard, and we can work over here. So we are having AI chatbot, but we can ask the questions to it, like ask me if anything, but it is not connected to the database, so it will not gonna answer the question like how many books are there and all. It is a suggesting chatbot, means it can search from the web and it can suggest us the what kind of books we can like borrow or like have. So this kind of questions, like it will not answer this like how many books are borrowed. So it will say like, as an AI, I don't have the access to the web application. It is right actually, because we shall not give the access to the AI chatbot, otherwise it can manipulate the system. Okay, so that's why I want to do that. Then we can ask the how many books are here. We can ask this question as well, and it will answer like, I have no idea. Okay, so this chatbot give us the suggestions of the book. Like basically what kind of genres, what kind of our interest, and it can on the basis of it, it can give us the book. Now I will sign out and I will log in as student, and I want to show you like the admin dashboard as well, guys. And first of all, I want to show you login as a librarian, and in the librarian we are having the category section. We can see that the group category is still pending because it's not accepted or approved by the admin. The current month calendar dashboard you can see over here. So this one is the librarian dashboard, and you can see the all of these things, the data like due date and all in the calendar section. We can approve it as we can mark it as returned, and when we mark it as returned, then I want to show you something like this book was like borrowed by the same student. So we have, for example, someone has borrowed something and he is borrowing another book. So then what will happen here is the librarian will check the status of a return book of that particular student. Let's send a approval request for the borrowing of the particular book, and we can like reject that request over here because they have borrowed two books as of now, and they want to borrow another one book. So we can simply reject that particular request and request rejected, and when we will log in as a student in it, we can see that the like request is rejected by the librarian over here, and we can then ask the librarian that, hey, I want that book, such kind of things, and we can send like conversation with the librarian over here. After doing the conversation, then if you got satisfied, and the librarian will say like return the first book, then we can give you the new book. So after that, like as a librarian, we got a chat from the same student like, hey, I want the book. So so you need to turn the book, okay, before borrowing the book. Now I will say message send to student, message send. We will log out and we will log in as a student, guys. So we can see in the librarian dashboard chat, we can see the new message. Hey, and we will see the message like you have to return the book. So I will say like I return the book. I have already returned the book. For example, I have returned the book, and then what I will do here in the librarian dashboard, I will uh, we can see the message from the student. Then I will go to the student dashboard and I will borrow one more book, and I will send a request for the borrow. After sending the request, we will go to the librarian dashboard and you can approve the book right now because we have done the conversation with the student, and now we can definitely approve them for that particular book borrowing. Okay. So this one is the feature. Then in the student chat, and we can find the student as well. Why we will find a student? Because if they haven't returned the book before the when, for example, we got the book as the same student said, but we got the book in the form of defected, means they have defected the book, Then we can put the fine of $10 on them. After putting the fine, then and then only the SAM student can borrow a particular book. So then in the financial sector, we can see that like $10 fine we are having. So some students have the total balance in the wallet of $519. Means first initially it was just $19 for the dummy purpose I have shown you in the ledger pay $519, and this is the fines we are having, and we can pay the fine, and after paying the fine we can borrow the particular books. So we can click on the pay fine now, and after clicking on it our fine will be paid. Okay guys, so I have shown you the payment gateway integration, payment required, and let's click on here. You want to pay, and let's click on over, and fine paid successfully. So we have paid the fine of ours, and it is showing like before it was saying like payment required, and now it is saying like all clear. So this is the difference after paying the fine. Then we will go on the notification, and we will log out. Okay, after log out we will go to the Librarian section, and here we can see that the file is updated, and the file is 0 as of now. On the student chat we can see that there is no issues. So we can see the request and all. Now I will show you the admin panel, guys, and this is the beautiful admin panel. We can see the notification greeting like hello admin, manage your library ecosystem effectively. So this is the admin panel, and we can see all of the data, the real-time data into the admin panel, like total books available for the web application app, the total all the things like borrowed book, 2 books are borrowed, active fine and all. So we can uh, check out here like total users are 5. A user distribution you can see using this donut chart, and the book status like borrowed books, available books, and pending books we can see over here. And as of now there is really less data in the web application, that's why it is showing this much. But after that it's a lot of users and all, we will see a lot of data over here. And we have the categories over here. We are having 3 categories as of now. We are having top 5 rated books on the basis of the reviews and ratings. So Clean Code is the book which are having high rating. So it was given by the SAM student, um, and we can see that the user section. So we are having Larry, Librarian, SAM student, Bharat, Sajid, Alliance admin. So we are having these many users into our database. Alliance admins means us as of now. So we can update their data, we can delete them, we can um, create a new user into the web application from here. So these are the actions that can be performed by the admin into the web application. So this one is Larry Librarian. We can change the role from student to librarian to admin. So they are having, admin is having the right to do that, and we can delete particular user from here. We can update their data, and we can perform CRUD based operations on the user's entity in the application. We can see the approvers for the particular categories from here. So we can approve them, disapprove them, and all. So we can go to the settings. We can randomize the like avatar of the particular admin from here. We can change the name from here, and we can see the notifications from here as well. So as an admin, we usually don't get any kind of notifications, and we can work out. If you want the source code of this web application, you will find it in the description or the first comment. And as a student, you can use it for the final year student because it has generative AI integrated in it, and role-based access control, and it is a full stack Spring Boot React web application. So thank you for watching. You can get the source code from description. Thank you so much. Bye.